Hi, I'm JMO from Xcase in the UK, www.xcase.co.uk. Take a look at our website. Anyway, on my bench today I've got one of our chassis. It's called the Xcase RM424 Pro. And as part of our services we also build systems and bare bones and JBODs. And this is actually a JBOD in a 424 Pro. So basically you've got 24 hotswap caddies, which will take either 3.5 inch or 2.5 inch SATA 2, SATA 3 SSD drives, SAS drives even. Each of the caddies has got two lights, one which is for power and another one which is for activity. Internally you've got these three 120mm fans. Now normally these would be temperature controlled when connected to a motherboard. However, in the JBOD you don't have that facility, so they will run without temperature controlled. However, they still work very, very well and are not too noisy. You'll see here a back plane. This is a 6 GB back plane. It supports SGPIO, which basically means you'll get warnings that drives are going to fail or have failed, and will show on the activity lights on the front caddies. And in this JBOD 24 we call it, it's fitted with a 2U redundant power supply made by FSP. Now basically in a JBOD you don't have a motherboard and processor, memory, etc. All you do, you have this little daughter board here which allows you to put the power supply into it, turn it on and off, and a port expander card. Port expander card then connects to the back plane via mini SAS cables. So there's 6 of those. And the whole idea is that you've got a host box, another server for instance, with the right type of RAID card in it that has an external 8088 connection. And your cable would come in from your host box, and your RAID card from your host box, as long as it is the right type. We'll then see the port expander, and it will be able to control the 24 drives in this box, and if you so wished you could then have an out here back into another in on another box, so a further JBOD, and control another 24 drives. And generally you can keep going like that up to around about 128 drives from a single host box. The host box itself doesn't have to have a 24 port RAID card, it could just be simple with a 4 port external 8088 connection. Okay, so just to give you an idea, I'll start it up. Hopefully you'll see the flashing lights. It's just checking all the bays. If there was drives in this unit, there'd be a constant blue light here, and then if there's any kind of problem, an amber light would come on above it. That's if your RAID card supports SGPIO. If it doesn't, then you can have it set up so you just have a blue light on, and the amber light would just be for LED flickering. So realistically, it's a 650mm deep unit. It's quite heavy. You do need a set of rails for it if it's going in a rack, which we do as an add-on. Anyway, we build these to order. They're fairly easy to do, so it only takes us a day or two. They're on our website. And that's about it, really. Thanks for listening.